Stupid traction control. Come on. Come on. Golf 7 GTI, but more than that, it's a Clubsport S. So the most hardcore, or is there a S Plus as well?
No, just S.
No, just S, yeah. Most hardcore GTI there is of a Mark 7 with bucket seats. Someone left some change over there. We have also very nice steering wheel, and of course it is a manual gearbox. It has different wheels, not from factory, so they were rubbing slightly. But yeah, we could have, would have, should have. But it is what it is. It has also different turbo, right? So
it's bigger turbo now, yeah.
Yeah.
Turbo,
So how much? Powers.
470.
470. Yeah. The only problem is because it has also, I think, different suspension, right?
Different suspension, so it needs a cancer and a damper.
Yeah.
So because of that, it wasn't knocking off the traction control. Yeah.
Yeah. So couldn't switch off traction control, and that was like very, very sad, very frustrating. But Golf S for me, it's like one of the best tuned cars when it comes to chassis tuning. Sorry, Golf Clubsport S, not Golf S. But yeah, and with extra power, that was very enjoyable and very frustrating with TC because you couldn't make the turns. But other than that, very nice to drive a Golf 7 again. So thank you very much for that, lads. And you guys enjoy the lap. Right. Welcome aboard. I think because the car has been completely remapped with everything, we cannot switch off traction control completely. Because I had it off. Yeah, now it cannot go off at all. Alright, we'll figure it out. Good power and good handling. Clubsport S is definitely like one of the coolest Golfs you can possibly get. Scrape. Brakes are good. There is no rev matching, so we need to do everything by ourselves. Oh man. Woo! Interesting. Maybe because the wheels are a bit not stock. The heel and toe position is really good. Off we go. Sad that we cannot switch off traction control. That was really frustrating. I switched it off a couple of times before we ended up on track, but oh man. Should have put duct tape around the camera then, I guess. That's one thing, but the other thing I wanted to say, should have put feet cam, because the heel and toe with this car, the foot position is so good. Another thing is we don't really need speedometer cameras anymore because we have Draggy anyway. Somewhere. Got him. Traction control, let me go. Very fast Swift. I know car. Stupid traction control. Man. That would have been such a nice entry, but because TC kicked in, it completely destroyed our rotation. Ah. Oh, that was nice. Alright, you know what? I'm gonna try to, let's see, mode. Race. Automatically activated. So annoying. I know. Trying to play with the modes, so at least it would let us go. No, it goes automatically back on. Sad. Super, super sad. Such a good car. Carousel's gonna be really upsetting for the car with DC. Yeah, goes full on the brakes. Come on, come on! You could see the traction control light flashing. Oh man. verdict about this particular car. Oh, it used a lot of fuel. I love the Golf 7 Clubsport, Clubsport S, let alone Clubsport S. It used to be the fastest front-wheel driven car around the Nürburgring, with some extra mods, even nicer with the extra power. But the fact that I couldn't switch off TC, oh my god, that was so frustrating. So frustrating. Because you go on the gas out of the corners, the car doesn't rotate, you want to turn into the corner, the car goes on the brakes because the things are going too fast. You're not going too fast, the car is built for this. So, yeah, kind of sad. It's like a minor inconvenience. Quite a big frustration, to be honest. I don't know why it's the case. Like, is it because like the brake pad sensor is not good because it has aftermarket brake pads and brake system? Don't know, man. Let's see. Maybe we can do one more lap because this is not really like. Car has so much potential, and then to be slowed down by traction control.